So what makes CDSC unique in three numbers is 2.7 trillion, 1.6 million, and 150 billion. So what do I mean? We are charged with the safe custody of 2.7 trillion worth of investor assets every year, 24/7, 365. We hold data and serve around 1.6 million customers in terms of people who have CDS accounts and trade at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. And then on an annual basis, we settle around 150 billion worth of transactions done at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. So in one word, Trust is our business. We are the entity that ensures that when you come to the market, you're sure if you're buying or selling, you'll get what you deserve. And that's one of the most unique things about the CDSC. So 2023 is a big year for us. We all know the economy has not been easy for the last 2 years, and not just in Kenya, but globally. So we are focusing on two things in 2023. One is investor education. We want to really encourage investors to participate in the market, to understand the opportunities in the market and how they can access them. The other thing is deploying or delivering technology solutions that allow investors to access the market easily. And this is in partnership with other entities that we work with in the market. So those are the two key things that we'll be looking to do in 2023. The solutions we have for our customers, I think one of the easy way of communicating that is through a story. Imagine John, an investor who's been buying securities and just holding them and waiting for the price to change or to dispose of them when there's need. So one of the solutions we have for that scenario is a product called securities lending and borrowing. So because we identified a challenge in that investors were stuck with their securities and unable to derive any value from them when the market is not moving in a way that favors them. So securities lending and borrowing, or SLB as we call it, allows investors to lend their securities, and then from lending they get some additional income from those securities. So this really allows investors to be able to get additional value, especially when they are holding long term and they don't have a plan of disposing their securities. The other thing is access to credit has been a challenge for many investors, and we listened to some of the feedback we were getting from investors and came up with a product called Mumo Hisa, whereby we are partnering with the financial services providers to enable us to use our shares as collateral. That if I have shares worth maybe 100,000, they can use them to get access to credit, and of course hoping that now that scenario allows lower interest rates. So that's something we'll be looking to really go aggressive on this year in terms of the solutions that we give to investors. So the other solution we have is the CDSC chatbot. So we are very passionate about being innovative. It's one of our core values. So the chatbot allows investors to interactively get information about their accounts, their holdings, by registering on that platform. So we've partnered with one of our solution providers or technology partners, and the platform is called Rhino. It's really easy to use, so you just register and you press very easy to remember commands, and you get the information you need concerning your account. So those are the highlights, I would say, in terms of the solutions that we have for the market. So our call to action in 2023 for investors is very simple. The market was designed and built for you. So we are asking investors in 2023 to be very active in the market. When you look at the kind of opportunities that exist in the Kenyan capital markets, and you think about the billions paid out in dividends every year, it's unfortunate if Kenyan investors miss out on these opportunities. So our call to action for investors is let's get back to the market. There are a lot of opportunities that exist in terms of your wealth creation aspirations, and we will be waiting for you to partner with you and help you to achieve your dreams. Thank you.